Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my latest episode, I wanted to share with you all our room updates that we've done for this year, and also some of our garden and backyard updates. Currently, we are decluttering, purging, downsizing, and also preparing ourselves for our big move, and while feng shuiing our home. In our house, on the main level, we have 2 bedrooms. Here we are in our secondary bedroom, and which is where we are going to do our room swap. We decided to swap just because we really don't need the extra space, and also why not? We've lived in our house for quite a long time now, closer to maybe 13-14 years, so we thought that it would be nice and cozy to swap rooms. So we start by clearing everything out of the room. Since we're doing a room swap, it's pretty necessary to do so that way it gives me a better sense of space of what I'm working with. We make sure that when we're clearing out the space, we wanted to vacuum, clean, and also wipe down any dust. It's to invite new energy into our room. Here are a few gourds that a good friend of ours gave to us. We are creating bird houses with these. This is my first time carving and making a bird house out of gourds, so we'll see if it would attract any birds or not. It'll be fun to see when it does. It's important for us to do these room preparation. Not only it's a great way for us to get an idea of what and also how much space we are working with, but for Feng Shui, this invites positive energy into the space of our rest and quiet. And out to the door to our right is our primary bedroom. And I'll show you really quick what it looks like before the update. So right now the room is very colorful. Wanted to tone this down and keep it neutral and calming, soothing, and with like earthy tones color. You may ask, why the downsize? Well, besides our preparations for our big move to Cambodia, I think that this will help us with just living our life in a way that is intentional, thoughtful, meaningful, and purposeful. Our goal here is to have less and do more, and have a joyful, healthy, and better quality of life. We wanted to keep this room really open and airy, so that way when we have visitors, friends, family, whatnot come visit, they have space to store their luggages and just kind of like be in a more comfortable space, so that way it's not cramped. Since Jerod and I are planning to move abroad, downsizing our bedroom seems fitting. We'd like to invite our loved ones to come and visit before our big move. Alright, let's get back to it. So now we're preparing our previous bedroom for the bedroom swap. Usually I would do these home updates alone just because I can handle the weight, but it's always great to have another person and to help with lifting things around, so that way the brief would go a lot quicker and easier, and also it's just nice to not have to lift heavier things by myself. Alright, so after dusting and cleaning and vacuuming the rooms, I think it's time to put the room back together. So let's go. I added this wall art that I took from Cambodia, and I really love the blue, and it creates a really bright, cheerful, kind of like window outside looking out. Again, I wanted to create the space to feel serene, peaceful, cool, cozy, and grounded with the earth tones that I'm using as my room palette. The room I'm quite happy about so far right now, and I just love how it's coming together. What do you think? Drop me a line. I would love to hear your comments or suggestions if you have any. As of right now, it's not quite symmetry, but it'll get there with a few tweaks. So for our new room update, we wanted to add a wall-to-wall curtain for our backdrop here. This way we can center our bed and also have the window there covered up. And that way it will create more of a cozy feel in the room. I know you may think it's a lot of pink, but trust me, this is gonna look good. I mean, look at the glow in the room when the lights are on. This is what I wanted to achieve, to give it that warm and cozy feel. All right, and up next, I'm going to work on our bedroom closet here. And I really don't remember painting this, when we had gotten our house. So I figured, why not? Now is a great opportunity to do so. I'm gonna start by removing everything out so that way nothing gets painted on. Okay, let's start painting. And with the paint color I chose, it's the same really warm yellowy white that we use throughout our home. Already with the first coat, it's already looking nice and bright and clean. It's already looking so much better. I'm so happy. What do you think? Does this inspire you to repaint your bedroom closet as well? I'd say give it a go. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video this far. If you made it this far, thank you so much. If you really like the video and enjoy what I do, please consider subscribing to my channel and also like my video and leave a comment. Alright guys, so here is the room update reveal. It's so amazing how with just a change of color makes it either more calming or more energizing. And this is the reason why I love interior designing. It's just a quick fix of just different textures, colors, and whatnot, and it just changes the room really quickly. Alright, and here is our bedroom now. So I kept the room green and pink. It's the color of romance, so I'm really inspired by that. Thank you so much, and till next time, bye-bye. Akon!
You are watching My Home and Garden Diary.